And I want you to stop here because, and I'm going to open the door. You've turned the wheel so tightly that if we keep going this way, we're going to bump.
So first thing you do, make your left hand turn signal and line your shoulder up with the line before your parking spot. And once you do so, turn the wheel about 360 degrees to the left and start moving towards the parking spot.
Hey, it's me, Jacqueline.
Hi, I'm Luca.
And this is our second driving lesson. And Luca has been out of the area caring for farm animals for the past month. So we're just kind of refreshing some driving, and we've done a nice little warm-up. And we're actually making this video specifically to respond to someone who made a comment on one of the other videos and said, can you make a video for driving in a busy parking lot? So we have chosen the busiest parking lot in our community, which is Costco.
Yep.
And this is a growth area for Lucas too. Everyone has to learn how to drive in the parking lot. It's something you're assessed on the driving test. So we have reviewed some of the important things about driving in a parking lot already, but I would love for you to tell us what's standing out to you about parking lot driving.
Well, number one thing about parking lot is there's a lot going on, so you have to be careful about surrounding areas, people, bicycles, cars, groceries, you know.
All the stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And what's the speed limit in a parking lot?
5 miles per hour.
Let's do it. Okay. There are sometimes roads on parking lots that are like further away from people, and you said yourself like 5 to 10. So you've been really good at using that range, but whenever we're close to people, we're going 5 because people are unpredictable.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to just drive around the perimeter and see what kind of obstacles jump out in front of us.
Alrighty.
Let's go. And I love how you are modeling looking to the left around your first obstacle, which was that big van, because cars could be coming.
Yep.
Really good.
Oh, wow.
They intentionally make speed bumps in parking lots tense so that people have to slow. Because you can imagine somebody on this open stretch thinking 25
is okay.
It's okay. But the friend on the right feels safer because you're going slower.
Lots of pedestrians here.
Yeah. And little ones. There's a little one in a skirt. Let's turn left here. Nice. And now we're just going to be brave, and we're going to turn left and go down this parking row.
Hi, pedestrian.
Nice. And keep your wheels straight for just a moment, because you want to go the length of the white stripe. That way, when you turn left, you'll end up on your side of the lane.
All right.
Nice. And let's stop back here. Nice. The further we stay away from our obstacles, the better maneuverability we'll have if we want to go around them. So we're just going to stay back here. I don't think we're going to go around anybody. Tell me how your braking is keeping people safe.
Well, I'm pivoting off the gas to the brake very subtly, and it's a very small maneuver, but it helps a lot.
And right now, in this space, is your foot on the gas pedal or the brake pedal?
The brake.
Even though we're going, right?
Yeah.
It's just like that rolling, but you're prepared to stop. That's great. Let's turn right up here.
Okay, let's see where this guy's going. There we go.
And we are modeling full stop at the T. Friend to the left has right of way, but they are turning, so we get to go. Nice. We're going to skip this aisle, but let's make a right at the next one. And don't get any closer. Nice. Important for you to come to a full stop if you have to, so that friends feel safe. Full stop here. Good.
Looks like we're going. Always make sure to check your blind spot in parking lots too.
Thank you, Luca. Let's go around this car. Left turn signal. Nice. Now, anyone could be reversing from right or left, so we're slow, we don't get excited. Really good. Nice. If we see someone with their turn signal on, they're telling us, I'm willing to wait for the spot. We're gonna turn left here. And usually people who are waiting for a spot try to get themselves out of the way so through traffic can continue. And you did great.
I
don't think we should go any further.
I don't
because
think so either.
Yeah, you're doing great. It's like, for a moment it looked like we could use the human shield from the right, but
yeah, but then there's
and that Tesla was stopped sort of with its bottom out, so not enough room. Good. But I love how you're like reading what's going on one full aisle ahead, and I think this is your go. Nice. Let's turn right into this next area, and you have done a great job modeling going in and out of tight spaces and reacting appropriately to all kinds of things. Let's go practice parking.
Alrighty.
We'll go look for a spot where we can park to the left. And we already talked about some parking things that we're going to be thinking about. So one of the things is positioning ourselves appropriately, and we're going to use your shoulder as the guide. And I want you to stop here because, and I'm going to open the door. You've turned the wheel so tightly that if we keep going this way, we're going to bump. So turn the wheel to the left. And that friend saw it too. And now turn to the right. That was awesome. The friend was pointing to you, turn your wheels. What I want you to remember, and we're going to practice it up here. We're going to turn right at the T.
Alrighty.
And you have to remember that your right mirror has to pass your obstacle for your car to pass your obstacle.
Yes.
So right turn signal, full stop, track the mirror and your obstacles, and then a tight twist. Yep. And make another right here.
All right.
Same sort of work. You're doing great. Full stop at the T. Look at your obstacle. Pass it, and then tight twist.
Oh, wow. Sorry, car.
So learning to wrap around spaces where you can't see anything that are tight takes some getting used to, but you are getting good practice. Next, we're going to practice turning and parking to the left. So I think...
Should we come back around and go to those?
We might. Let's turn to the right here. We'll just keep practicing our tight right turns. We see our obstacle. We see our person. They're letting you go. Love it. Tight twist. Nice. And then another tight right here. And tight twist. Nice. Let's take the spot where that friend is coming out.
All right.
Tell the world our plans.
All right, we're going to be making...
Left turn signal.
Oh, yeah.
The other world. The real world that really matters. And then just put your shoulder right in the center there, one car length away. Look at your tree. Look at your cars. Think about your mirrors. And get yourself in there. right, put us in park. And we're gonna open the door so that we can admire your perfect parallel position.
Oh. Better than I expected. Yeah.
You did great. I think you're just gonna learn to trust yourself that you know how to fit in your spots.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, it's our first day practicing parking. You haven't been driving for a month and you're nailing it every time. You're getting parallel. This time you're gonna do it without my help, so you can prove to yourself that you've got it.
Alrighty.
If that spot is still available, we're gonna try to take it.
All right.
Okay, so let's work our way around there.
Go ahead and go into reverse.
And now tell folks what you're doing and why.
Well, I'm gonna try and avoid looking here.
Yeah.
Just because I have to trust my side mirrors and my rear view mirror. And I slowly back up, checking all my blind spots. And once I'm clear,
stay straight. You're right. Once you're clear, which is exactly when your mirrors are at the red. Good.
I'll let this guy go just in case.
Love it. And I interrupted you. You had it right. Once you're clear.
Yeah. You saved me there. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Begin making a left turn. Right. Yeah.
Nice.
Once you're fully parallel. Right. No. Yeah. And I can go ahead and drive.
You got it. And then we'll turn left at the T.
Be careful of the bird.
Yes, Clever Crow is your right obstacle.
And we're making a left here, yeah.
Yep, you got it. And we identified our spot between gray car and blue car.
Uh-huh.
Tell the world you're
So, first thing you do, make a left hand turn signal and line your shoulder up with the line before your parking spot. And once you do so, turn the wheel about 360 degrees to the left and start moving towards the parking spot. And as the car goes in, turn the wheel to adjust here to parallel, to the parallelness. Yeah. And put the car in park.
And then just for fun, open the door and give yourself
A round of applause.
really good. All right. And just for the world to know, usually in most DMV parking lots, the parking lot is diagonal.
Yeah.
So you don't have, or the parking spots are diagonal. So you
It's
don't
a lot more
have,
simple, yeah.
it's a lot easier. But this is like to maximize parking spaces. They crunch us all in this perpendicular shape. And I would say the most important thing to me as your passenger was feeling like you were aware of everything, ready to stop whenever you needed to. I felt totally safe. And then also, I just really appreciated how you were mindful about your space when you were parking. You did great.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Luca. Glad to be back in the car with you. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.